Excited to pick up mom and dad.
Hello.
你看出来了？
出血。
你还好吗？
哇，这样很高这样的。
Hey guys, so today is Vlogmas day 10. I just did some chores and cleaning of the apartment to prepare the arrival of mom and dad tonight. They've landed safely in Vancouver airport, but their flight has been changed, so they will be arriving in Winnipeg tonight instead. So I will be able to squeeze in some time for dinner before I head to the airport to pick them up. And right now I'm just gonna have some leftovers for lunch and continue with my PM classes. So I'll check back with you guys later. 很好了，安全抵达温哥华就 OK 了。
你那边现在几点了？
我这里是5点，我还得先做一些作业，然后等一下去弄晚餐。
弄了晚餐你慢慢才过来。
好啦，待会儿晚点再聊，你不要睡着啊。
见面才看。不会，我不会睡着的，我精神很好。
好。
OK，
好啦，
就这样。
拜拜。
拜拜。
Yeah, thank you so much. Alright guys, so I'm at the airport now, excited to pick up mom and dad. I will check back with you guys later.
Hello. 你看出来了？
你们现在就直接出去了？
不用过关的。
你们现在
还好吗？
宝宝出血。
你还好吗？
哇，这样很高这样的。看到，他有没有看到你？不能这么高。
Alright guys, so we've collected our luggage and we will be heading back to the apartment. I guess I'll be calling it a day today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.